Okay, so members, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to see a bit more technical questions when we are handling this. Let us see how we go about them. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, this one says, two cycles C1 and C2 left town P4, town Q, 18 kilometers away at the same time. C1 traveled at a steady speed of 15 kilometers faster than C2. So meaning this one, C1 was faster. When C1 had covered half the distance, he lay for half an hour, and after he traveled at a speed 20% less than the original speed, and he reached Q 15 minutes earlier than C2, determining the original speed of the two cyclists. Okay, so let us say, let the velocity for cyclist 2 be V. Now we have two towns. So we have the town P and then this town Q. The distance that separating the two is 18 kilometers. So it's that this man is using the velocity V. We don't know the time, but let us call it time T1. He's using the velocity, for him is just using this velocity V, and then we don't know his time. So meaning his time is going to be, time is given by distance over the velocity. So let me call this one equation 1. When it comes to C2 for now, for him, C1, cyclist 1, for him is having some cases in there. So if this is P and this is Q, so of course the distance is 18. But this man, C1, left time B 18 kilometers away. C1 traveled at a steady speed of 15 kilometers faster than C2. It means that now, this man, we have that when C1 had covered half the distance. So, from here up to here is 18 kilometers. Now, when this man had covered half, meaning that 9 kilometers. Of course, when they had covered half, this velocity was V plus 15, because it was covering 15 kilometers faster than 6. So if this one is the velocity of V, this one has to use V plus 15 faster. Then for half this kilometer, for half this distance. Now that I ask that, had covered half the distance, he delayed for 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, which is half an hour. And after, he traveled at a speed of 20% less. Now, 20% less, meaning 20% less, the percentage is going to be now 100 minus 20, meaning that this man covered now at a distance of 80%, which is going to be, this can be, that is 80 over 100, which is going to be 0.8. Now, this is the distance now, this is the speed this man, less the speed he covered when he's covering the remaining 9 kilometers, because half the distance, if you cover half, this is 9, meaning that the remaining half is also going to be 9. But the speed he's using is going to be 0.8. He never changed the speed, change the speed, but less 20%. So this is now the percentage times the original speed, which is V plus 15. So we are showing that now, this man from here up here, he used time T2 up there, then he reached Q. So that now our T2 for it is going to be, first of all, this time plus here, which is 9, the distance over V plus 15. Then plus, when they had covered the half, was dead for 1 hour, half an hour, was dead for half an hour, then plus half, then plus, then the 9, the time used for the remaining 9 kilometers over this velocity, 0.8 into V plus 15. So that is the time 2. And then they are telling us that this man reached 15 minutes earlier than C2. So if C2 was using T1 It means that now this one which added, so the time will 2. So it means that if C1 2, it means that this one, I mean the other which added 15 minutes. So this one is going to be T2. The time for this is going to be for the time this man reached, then plus 15 minutes. But 15 minutes you convert them to 4 hours. So that this one is going to be, when is the time for this one is going to be 15 minutes late. I mean 15 minutes late, this one. So if this one is use the T2, it means that T1 is going to be, I'm going to add on 15 minutes, but then convert in hours. So we have this, we have this. So let us see how we simplify this. Start to simplify this, we are going to get 2b plus 11 the whole over 4 into b plus 15. That's how we can simplify that. So meaning that now, if we had substitute into the formula, we start from here, our T1 is going to be T2, then plus, when we substitute there, we get a quarter. So we can multiply through by 4. So that now, I take this side, so 4T1 minus 4T2 is going to be 1. So now, can we substitute? We have this 4 into now T1, which is 18 over b, then minus 4 into T2, which is our T2 is here, 11, the whole over 4 into b plus 15 cross the bracket is equaling to 1. Okay, so if I simplify that, you see that now, if I multiply 4 times 18, that's 72. Sorry. So this is 72 v. Then minus, start this 4 is going to cancel this. So I have 2b plus 1 over b plus 15. The whole is giving us 1. So what is our LCM? So that our LCM is going to be, our LCM is going to be v, then b plus 15. When I get this time with this. So multiply it here, you have now 72 into v, then minus v there, you have v into, equaling to now this v plus 15. So let us expand. Here we have 72v, then plus 72 times 15, 1080, then minus, this is going to give us 2b squared, then minus 111b is equal to b squared, then plus 15b. Can you take everything there side? When I take this side, I have 3b squared. Then what else? This one we can reduce. This one we can reduce. 72 minus 11. I mean 1 gets 2. And when we get 39 plus 15, we get negative 54v. Okay, so that's it then. And then when I take this side, I'll be having now minus, I know this one is plus, minus 1080 equaling to a 0. I think that's how we are able to simplify that. Okay. So now, if you divide through by 3, you see 54 by 3, you get 18. So this is b squared plus 18b, then minus 1080. Divided by, we get 60 equal to 0. And which numbers, when you add, you get that, and you simplify. So you see that we can factorize this to 1 minus, is it 30? So we get 1 minus 12 into V now plus 30. That's how you can factorize this. That our V is going to be 12, comma, our V here is going to be negative. That of course I listed wasn't negative. So this is going to be now 12 meters per second. I mean kilometers per hour. Sorry? Kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. So meaning cyclist 1, his velocity is 12 kilometers per hour. Then cyclist 2, no, this is for cyclist 2. This is for cyclist 2. Then cyclist 1, for him, he was having a velocity of V plus 15, which is 12 plus 15. And our cyclist 1, his velocity is 27 kilometers per hour. So members, that's how we had to go through that question. I wish you the best.